What's up, everyone? Welcome back to an episode of Prince's World. And today, the new product is a 2004 Toyota Solara. Now, there's not many things wrong with this vehicle. All it needs are rear brakes and an oil change. That's one of the things I love about Toyota quality. They're old vehicles that'll last a long time. Now, I know you guys saw the title of this video. It's called a double feature. That means we'll take care of this vehicle and this vehicle. That's right, everybody. We have ourselves a 2017 Ford Taurus. Now, just like this vehicle, there's not many things wrong with it. We had a key made for it recently and started it up. When we started it up, we smelled bad oil. So that indicated all it needed was an oil change. And since we want to make sure it's the right oil, we're going to take it to the dealership and have them do whatever it is they do. So now that we know what's wrong with these vehicles, let's jump on that Solara and get things moving. So everybody, it's the next day. And now we spent the good part of yesterday taking care of the Solara. We're gonna spend today taking care of the Taurus. I know you guys see that it's on a charge right now. That's because the battery is actually bone dead. Like, it's so dead that we need a new battery. But that's not a problem. Once we get to the dealership, we'll have them do the oil change and also replace the battery. But now that that's being said, let's get on the road. Well, unfortunately, everybody, we didn't make it in time. But that's not a problem. We'll just have to come back in the morning to get that oil change. So everybody, see you in the morning. So everybody, it's the next day. We're up and early with an early start. So now they're ready to go. Let's head to that dealership. So everybody, we're here at the dealership. The service people are riding up my vehicle. As soon as they're done, we're back on the road. Before that, I'd like to show you guys what I can see here. Jesus Christ. I've only seen this thing on Forza and on YouTube. But I know this thing was so freaking massive. Like, Jesus. Yeah, that looks like your standard F-150 interior. But Jesus, this thing is amazing looking. The new leather smell too. But here's your standard Ford for all you guys that love the F-150. They suck though. This comes from somebody who's worked on them before. But design-wise, they're amazing looking. Cloth seats. Well, compared to both of them, I still go for that Raptor. With only 30 miles. But this one's for the LSU gang. I'm actually kind of liking these yellow-purple mix, huh? Now if they're gonna make an F-150, at least make it look like this. What kind of light is that? What does that do? But you know, the Ford's never really been my vehicle. Never has been, never will. Especially for a 4-cylinder truck. What kind of stuff is that? Turbocharged, I don't care. It's 4 cylinders. A truck shouldn't have 4 cylinders. But this right here is my kind of vehicle. If you want a real truck, equivalent to the F-150, then go for yourself a Nissan Titan. A much better truck with much better quality. Make an F-150 look like a child. This is a real truck right here. So everybody, it's been a great video. By now, they're taking care of the oil change inside their service bay. But you know, with that being said, that's gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your bell notification to know if I will upload a new video. And also, if you want to be up to date with the happenings of this Taurus and the Solara, then check me out on Instagram at Prince's World. With that being said, until next time, Prince out.